6 hours.
Severe thunderstorm warning for Mercer County, Northern Dark County, Shelby County, Auglaize County, until 7:15 p.m. At 6:33 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 miles northwest of Coldwater to near St. Henry to near Greenville, moving northeast at 50 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Sydney, Greenville, Salina, Wapakoneta, St. Mary's, Coldwater, Fort Shawnee, New Bremen, Munster, Versailles, St. Henry, Cridersville, Enna, Fort Loramie, Fort Recovery, Ansonia, Watkins, New Knoxville, Hardin, and Malton. This includes Interstate 75 in Ohio between mile markers 93 and 118. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.